Good morning, everybody. Last day of school. Hey, finish strong. Got some things I want to go over with you today. Listen carefully. You notice how teachers always say that everything's important. Well, this is important, kids. Listen up. Today's the last day of school. I'm looking right at the camera. I'm looking right at you. And if you're going to hand in any grades, I'm looking right at the camera because you notice if I look down, it's bad. 11:30 cutoff. That's 11:30. You can't turn anything in past 11:30 today, Friday, 6th, last day of school, 11:30. Now, some of the grades might look like they're posted, and they are, but I can update them. Everything should be in the. I haven't checked this morning. 11:30 is the last. Now you can message me after that and say, "Hey, I think you missed this and missed," but all your submitted assignments have a time on them. And if it's past 11:30, it doesn't count. Get it? Doesn't count after 11:30. Okay. So, let's just go over a couple things real quick. And Infinite Campus, I got a list of people that are taking grades. Grades, no, I got that. It should be all got lists, two lists. Okay, so I've written those down. I kind of could have done that a little differently, but that's okay because guess what? I'm learning too. I learned too. I've learned a lot. Okay, I've learned a lot. All right. So if we look at the slide for today, you will see today is Friday, June 5th, 2020. To be day. Quick look. Do attendance question. You still got to be here. Do attendance question. Complete missing work. 11:30 deadline. What? 11:30. Nothing. It's time stamped. You can't hand something in at 1:30 and say, "Oh, I put it on Friday." No, 11:30. Hear it? Okay. Message me. I'll try to get those things all together. Enjoy your summer. School's out for summer. Not quite. After today. Come on. You got some stuff. You got to do it. All right, now I'm going to end with a special note. What a crazy year, okay? I have learned a lot. I've learned a lot about the Schoology, delivering, content, people, excuses, some successes, just so much. My colleagues have taught me, and guess what? I told you that story about Doug the Carpenter. What? Doug the Carpenter. Reason why teachers tell stories is because kids remember them. Okay, people remember them. So Doug the Carpenter, bring your tools. Remember? A lot of you, I can see your heads nodding. Yeah, I remember that. Doug the Carpenter. Remember? Put that sliding glass door in. That was a long time ago. Well, the other story I told you about starfish. Starfish, how that guy on the beach was throwing little starfish in one at a time. Guy came up to him and said, "What are you doing? You'll never save all those starfish." And he said, "I made a difference in that starfish. I made a difference in that starfish. I hope I made a difference in you because that's really why I went to teaching." Okay. Now, the last thing I wanted to tell you is even though it wasn't the greatest way to learn, it's still a good way to learn. Learning is important. You got to be smart. You got to be able to check facts. You got to be able to make decisions. You got to be able to know things. I think education is the most important thing. And you may or may not, but I think it is. Okay? So then the last thing that I wanted to show you is a sky full of stars. Watch that video. Sky full of stars. Okay. Or you could be like Skilo, making excuses. I wish, I wish, I wish. I wish school was over. I wish school started. I wish it was raining. I wish it was not raining. I wish it was a boat. I wish I was taller, taller, in a hat, and right, all right. Watch those videos, okay? I played those to teach you something. So try to figure that out. Okay? The last thing, boys and girls, last thing I hope is I wish you the best. Learning is important. And this wasn't the greatest way, but it is a way. And guess what? I don't think this is the last you're going to see of this stuff for a while. So, good thing is, you know what to do. Can you imagine being a fifth grader next year coming in? By the way, you're a sixth grader now. Hey, okay. So, it doesn't matter what you get. Doesn't matter what you get. It matters what you do with what you get. So it doesn't matter what you get, it matters what you do. Go back, look at some of my videos and see all the stuff. Oh, there's one particular one that I would love you to take a look at, and that's the poof game. Poof game. Okay, kind of something on. And I'm leaving you with the attendance question. I'm leaving you with the attendance question. What did Mr. Foster hold up? Huh? He held up star. You are the answer. Not me. Not all these old folks that are 57 years old, and you're the answer. You're the star. Learn something. Have a good summer.